Do you know that now you can cut down on your electricity bills and be a part of India's renewable energy growth story?
How can I do that?
This is possible through the recently announced PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
It represents a significant opportunity to save our electricity bills. Can you tell me more about it?
This is a solar revolution I'm referring to. Imagine 1 crore homes having their own solar rooftops, each generating their own power. This initiative was launched on 13 February 2024 with a budget of Rs 75,021 crore. It's not just about saving money on your bills, but also about generating 1 lakh crore units of clean electricity. Together, we'll reduce our carbon footprint by 72 crore tons of CO2 over the next 25 years.
Sounds amazing, but aren't solar rooftop systems expensive?
Here comes the best part. The government has got your back by offering financial support. Do you know you will receive 30,000 rupees per kilowatt for the installation of first 2 kilowatt and 33,000 per kilowatt if you are in a special category state. For an additional capacity of up to 3 kilowatt, you will receive 18,000 rupees per kilowatt and 19,800 rupees per kilowatt for special states. And if you're a resident of a housing society, you're eligible for a range of incentives for common facilities too.
You mentioned special category states. What are they?
If you're dwelling in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, the Northeast, or in Andaman and Nicobar, or Lakshadweep, you become a part of the special category states. And wait, there's more. Some states are also providing their own subsidies over and above the central government's financial assistance. Isn't this great?
But what if I'm still short on funds?
There is no need to worry, as the scheme also offers consumers to opt for low-interest loans at 7% of the installation of systems up to 3 kilowatt.
In case I don't have a roof space, then?
No roof? No problem. Got a south-facing balcony, window or wall? If yes, then you can opt for building integrated photovoltaics.
Is this really true? What should I do next?
It's quite simple. Just visit pmsuryaghar.gov.in and find out all information you need about PM Surya Ghar. Also, stay tuned for more informative videos. Remember, each solar rooftop system counts. You're not just saving money, you're saving the planet. So what are you waiting for? Let's turn those rooftops into powerhouses and show the world how India is leading the solar revolution.
Hello everyone, I am Komal, a current employee at Medesh Techno Concept Private Limited working on the PM Surya Ghar Yojana project. I joined the company in August 2025 and Medesh provided me with extensive training related to the project in various aspects. After 6 months of working in PMSGY and realizing into real impact on daily life, especially in reducing electricity expenses and promoting environmental sustainability, I decided to install a solar power plant at my residence. As an employee, I also become a beneficiary of the project. It is all because of Medesh that I become aware of this initiative and government scheme supporting it.
Hello everyone, my name is Swati. I am the team lead of this project PM Surya Ghar. I have total 10 years of experience, but the support and the environment which Medesh give us from the starting is really wonderful. Thank you Shweta ma'am for the support and the right path which she showed us for the smooth functioning of the project.
Fiza here. One of the main things which I really feel great about Medesh is women empowerment. The team comprises of 21 members, where 15 of them are female employees.
Hi, I'm Sakshi. Working with Medesh has an incredible journey. From day one, we have been empowered to grow, innovate and make a real impact.
My name is Mohammad Faiz, as this is our very first time to attend Medesh Foundation Day, and we are eagerly looking forward to attend the day. Thank you.
Sapneet Upadhyay, a young employee of Medesh, as its 18th Foundation Day of Medesh, and my first time to be part of this esteemed celebration. I would like to show my gratitude towards our senior CMD sir, Shweta ma'am, to make our work so smooth as it can be. Especially CMD sir's efforts towards letting us to be rooted with our culture through his spiritual videos and lectures.
Hello everyone, I'm Srishti, an employee of Medesh Techno Concept Private Limited. We are proud to be working on the transformative project in collaboration with our esteemed client UP NEDA, the Uttar Pradesh New and Renewable Energy Development Agency. We are currently working on PM Surya Muft Bijli Yojana, a visionary initiative by Government of India. The primary goal of this scheme is to help the country to achieve net zero emission by 2070 by installing 1 crore residential solar system across India by the year 2027. Only Uttar Pradesh has 25 lakh target to install residential solar system, and our main motive is to install maximum number of solar residential systems. In Uttar Pradesh, MEDUS has been entrusted with a crucial role to ensure smooth implementation of the mission on the ground. Divided into two dedicated teams. First, vendor and consumer support team. This team works closely with empaneled vendor and consumer, offering end-to-end support from registration to installation and all the way through to release subsidy. Together, these teams are working relentlessly to enable seamless solar adaptation and contribution to the cleaner, greener and self-reliant India. This project is more than just a task, it's a mission of sustainability and empowerment, and we at MEDUS are proud to be a part of it. Thank you so much.